Yo, what is up, you guys? Hey, in this video I'm gonna bring a very quick mechanic video. You know what I'm saying? I broke apart on my bike, looked at a few videos on YouTube, and none of them was showing what I really need. So I just want to let you guys know you need a size 5/8 alley wrench for most of the parts, for most of the bolts on the front, and a size 12, 13, or 14 on the back. Or the bigger boats, you know what I mean? And that's the ones you can't really see right now. But I wasn't talking in the beginning because I was really focused on trying to see what I was doing, you know what I mean? But towards the middle, or whenever I got the part, basically, I was talking. So I'm gonna have to talk over this, you know what I'm saying, the first few parts of it. But hope everyone is staying safe due to Corona. Stay inside, wear a mask. But also, this is not a hard job. This job maybe took me an hour, I would say, an hour to take it off and put it back together. I had to wait on the part to come in though. So I just went ahead and did it, and because I didn't want to wait. You know, like I said, this job is not hard at all. If I can do it, that means anyone can do it. I'm not mechanically inclined by no means, so it was pretty much pull apart, you know what I'm saying, falling off the bone. I want to say it was pretty easy. Just make sure you keep up with all your parts and just know what you are using. Like I said, make sure you guys use a size 5 Allen wrenches for the small ones, a size 8 for the 2 bolts right here that broke off. That's the whole reason why we're fixing this anyway. And just make sure you guys just take a picture of the back piece right here. But it really goes on only one way, so it shouldn't be that hard putting it back on. And just make sure you guys keep off the bike so you don't scratch it. I scratched mine up a little bit. That's why you can see the sock right here. So don't think, you know what I'm saying, I got something goofy going on. Hey, the sock really is doing something for me, you know what I mean? So as you can see right here is where you need the size 14 for the back of the brake line bolts, excuse me. That bolt right there is a 14. I really don't think you need a 15 here. The 15 might have been too big for the back brake line right here, but it's either a 14 or 15. But as you can see right here, this spring is right here is what gives the pressure when you're pulling down. $15. Alright, you guys, here go the new piece. Came in the mail today. Still got to get them off right here. 1, 2. Supposed to look. I just tightened up this 15, size 15 or 14 bolt right here. God dang it, I just had it. But it's supposed to go somewhat like this. It's gonna take me 2 hands to put this back on, so I'm gonna see you when I got it halfway on. Let me see, I put this back together first, the signal. I put that on this part first, and then I put this halfway on, and then I put this one on, and now I guess it's time for this one, and then these two, and I guess that should be it. And I also put this one on too, so it can hold this, because I don't have another person to hold this, so I put that back on to hold that in place. I didn't tighten them all the way down, but I just tightened them down in there to where it'll hold, so it's holding it in place for me. As you can see, it's gonna be something like that, I guess, hopefully. Well, I won't have no break. Okay, you guys, so here it goes. Put these on. This is nothing, it's just for decoration, honestly. I put one of these off, I took one on off, and we're gonna try to get this back nut back on there so we can lock the brake down. Now we're finna put this pin back in there, back behind there to close, to lock this bolt. These nuts right here, these bolts right here are size 8mm Allen wrench, and these, most of them, okay, not them, but Most of these, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a size 5. Also, guys, the nut behind this bolt right here is a size 12. So make sure you get a size 12 bolt for this one back here, so you can tighten it up or loosen it up. Yeah, it's tight enough. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this bolt back on, and then this bolt right here. That'll be it. Or I might just put this bolt on first. A little trouble with this bolt right here, so I took these two out. Well, I took the one loose. They wasn't never in all the way. But I think it's in now, so. Okay, guys, so when I was tightening this one up, the last one, the whatever this is, the fender, I want to say, I forgot what that's called, but it's the heat shield or whatever. It also popped back into place, so it had moved out of place. That's why it was so hard to put everything on in the beginning or just a few minutes ago. But I thought I was pushing. I don't want to get it too tight. I don't want to script nothing. But also my pen had broke back there, so I'm gonna have to get a new pen. It was just old, but it's still in there. Just one of the pieces broke off. One of the ends broke off. Probably can't see that, but I just gotta get a new pen. And that's it. Now it's time to take it for a test ride.